Okay, so in my last video that I uploaded, Madigan and I were cutting water bottles. The point behind that exercise is to test the edge alignment of your technique and reveal flaws that you need to work on. The goal of that exercise is to cut cleanly through the bottle without causing the plastic to bubble around the cut and not move the base of the bottle. Advanced users and students will use smaller bottles and will oftentimes attempt more than one cut with the same bottle. Me, personally, I'm not at that point. I'm still using 2-liter bottles and milk jugs. So I wanted it to point out a few of the things that you want to work on if you tried this. So, 1, it can be tried with any sword. 2, don't try and do any trick shots. Honestly, people die that way. So, this will probably be a 2-parter with me explaining the blades and then doing the cutting. So, explaining the blade that I'm using. This is a Katana, as you can probably tell. Honshu Tactical Full Tang Katana. I removed the little paracord thing here because it was irritating and got in the way. So this is a nice blade. I have sharpened it simply because I blunted it through use, but besides the point, excellent blade, well made. When I see people do tests on YouTube, they will oftentimes watch a video and not actually study what they're doing. They just copy what they see. So they miss a lot of the essential things. One of the biggest errors that I see in the YouTube videos is when they do the water bottle and the bamboo cutting tests. They will swing the sword, but that's all it is. They're swinging, they're hacking the water bottle to pieces. That doesn't work. That's not the actual technique that you use. Car to go by. What you really want to do is you want to swing. Use this right here as your pivot point, right there in the middle of the handle, and when you touch your target with the blade, you want to start pulling the blade back. So, from a different angle, swing, you want to start pulling the blade back. Slightly exaggerated, but hit, pull. Hit, pull. That will cause the edge to actually bite in and slice through your target. So I did this out of order. The next thing that I see people doing wrong is holding the sword. A lot of times they'll just grab it like this and start swinging. That is an improper technique, and on bastard swords it may work, but generally with katanas it doesn't work as effectively. What you want to do instead is slide your offhand down to the bottom of the handle, right over where the pommel would be, and grip there. That will give you more leverage when swinging the sword. And it'll also give you more control over where the blade goes. So that clears up what I was wanting to establish for the first video. The next video that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to cut some of the water bottles, and Madigan will cut some as well. So, I'll see you in the next video.